Welcome to Controls Explorer. This video we will show you how do you place an image in Allen Bradley HMI Panel View Plus. And the software what we have is Factory Dock View Studio. So let's begin here. First we will go to Objects, next Drawing, select Image, place the image more or less like an approximate size. Now assuming the image is in some folder in your computer, so select Add from File. Currently, I'm just looking for the image in the computer. And if you do not find your image in the folder, change the image type here. Select the image, select Open, and hit Yes. So that's pretty much in. Now, you can still and pull the corners and size the image appropriately. Now, you can still add push button or other devices at the top of your image. So, in order to allow that, select the image, right click, arrange, and select the option, send it to back. So, as you can see here, there is a shutdown push button still visible at the top of the image. Otherwise, the image could have covered it up completely. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any question, please do write to us. Tech support at controls-explorer.com, and we would be more than happy to work with you. Thanks again. Bye now.